Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee, and I've got a real nice piece of equipment here to show you today. This is a 2013 Genie Telehandler. This is the GTH 5519, 5,000 pound lift, 19-foot reach. And this one has the all-wheel steering ability on it. You've got a little knob right there that you turn, and you can either just make the front wheels or the back wheels, or you can make all four of them turn. Nice little piece right there. So all we did to this was we just kind of roughed up the paint, sanded it a little bit, and gave it a quick little repaint there. We want it to look real nice when you get on the job site. Everything on this is functional, and I don't mind parking it on my display pad because it doesn't leave any spots on the ground. So that's a very cool little deal right there. I like that. Clean. Looks nice. Nice little unit. It's a 74 horsepower, I believe, is what the tag said on it. I have that tag pictured on my website. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, and I think it's even upside down on the motor there. So, but I believe it's a 74 horse, diesel powered, of course. And again, now we did not power wash under here. This is just the way we got it. So you can see that it's not a big oil dripping little horrible looking thing. It's pretty straight, pretty stout. Tires on it are very good. Traction grips all around, of course, because it is all terrain. And if you look at that cylinder right there, you're not going to see any indications of any oil leaking. We did not do any cleaning or any dealer magic there. That's just the way we got it. Very nice, solid little piece. Again, it's a 5,000 pound, 19-foot reach, and the specs are on our website. There's a link to the Genie website, so feel free to check that all out. It's got the standard forks on front with the tilt ability as well as the extension. So if you can use this machine, feel free to give me a call. It's HD Trucks and Equip in Henderson, Tennessee. And my phone number is 602-510-5444. And as always, thank you for looking.